Yellow, welcome back. As you can see, this is not normal Animal Company. If you know, we're back. If you go to join Animal Company thinking, oh my lord, new Animal Company, we're going back? No. You gotta do some stuff. I might do that in a later video if this goes viral. But, you were just dreaming. Welcome back. $195. You'd be poor in the new one. Here, still poor. But, hey. Look. OG iPad. And they don't have everything in. They don't have absolutely everything, but... And you have to click your buttons to pick it up, not your grips. See, that's for your new guys out there. For the people that didn't play originally, there's Forest. They don't have mines. Or, no, parkour. I forgot what it was called. Sewers is over that way, but it's not open. Here's actual forest. Welcome back. And here's OG mines in OG. Here it is. I'll go through it with you guys. Where there's landmines. And if you figure out how to get this, I go recommend one guy's video, because it actually still works. That's how I got this. I'll recommend him later. But, you actually want to collect these in this update, and guess who's here? Guess who's over this wall somewhere? Oh! You guys can make your guesses. I haven't fully explored this place. Here's another mine. Or caves, whatever you guys like to call it. I might have just offended people, but I'm sorry. When I first got this, I cried. Look. OG chicken, you know. Well, it's not really OG, you can still see this, but it's chicken. And yep. Still the exact same chicken. And the shotguns have infinite ammo. You can shoot as many rounds as you like. It's not just 2. I literally got this a couple minutes ago. We're good. We're not going that way. And you can get into public servers with this. I'll go into one. They're absolutely chaotic because there's no safe zone for you newbies out there. So, no safe spot for ya. Landmines. We have the sounds. And, yep. There's that, yeah. Just back to OG Animal Company. There would be mines. One thing about this is, some of the blocks you can go through. Yeah. So, let's quickly hop into a public. You just click enter. It brings you into a random lobby, and you see it's pretty chaotic. There's a bunch of people running around with a bunch of shotguns just killing each other. That's basically it in these public servers. So, yeah, so he was a really good YouTuber that it took a little bit, but it didn't take too long at all. It didn't take absolutely forever, so, really grateful for that. Yeah, you can look it up. He's really good guy. I looked for so long of how to get to OG Animal Company. And, yeah. I'm I'm flabbergasted that I'm actually here now. So, yeah. Just a quick little video. Not too long. Just exploring everything. You have all that. It doesn't look like it's going down, but it's every Friday it resets. Friday's not in 2 days, so that's broken, but it's not about things, it's about the aspect of you're back, you're not in the new Animal Company, you're back. If you weren't in this era of Animal Company, if you were in a higher, even if you were in the robots, if you even know. So Animal Company wasn't originally monkeys, it was robots. And yeah, that's about it. Yep. You got all the stuff. I wanna see if I still have it in me to do this course. You do have your watch. You can switch channels. Oh, oh, do I have it? Do I have it? Okay. I had it. Oh no! I was so close. But I'm gonna end it. See you boys later. And if you want a tutorial, let me know. Alright. Peace.